today I thought I would take you with me as I go thrift shopping. You know, I love going shopping, thrift shopping, looking for unique home decor items. And so today I thought I would take you along with me. So if you love thrifting as much as I do, make sure you keep watching. These dishes are a fabulous find for $23. Yes, please.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it.
I saw these lamps and I thought they were a really great find. Especially this lamp, you could clean it up, put it in a kid's room, and a home office. It's a little yellow in the wood tone, so I would probably darken it a bit, but for a wood lamp, that was a great price. As you can see, they have tons of lamps and lampshades. Do not sleep on your local Goodwill when you are looking to furnish. Let's say you're a first-time homeowner or it's your first apartment and you are looking to decorate. Always check your local Goodwill. Like this lamp. You guys know I am doing an urban jungle theme, and if I were going kitschy with it, that lamp would have been great at $5.99. But of course, you know I'm going for a more modern urban glam look, so I left that in the store. But if you were looking for baskets, guys, they have tons and tons of baskets. This one is a little dirty, but you could take it home, throw it in the bathtub, clean it up real good, and it would be good as new for $2.99. So Goodwill is always hit or miss. Sometimes you have to go multiple times during the week. This basket was really, not that one, this one. This basket was really nice. It did have some imperfections, but I think you could snip off the piece that has unraveled and seal it with a little bit of E6000 or hot glue and it'd be good as new. So tons and tons of things that you can pick up from the Goodwill, all on the budget to decorate your home. Sometimes you look out, sometimes you don't. Like this piece here. I thought about bringing it home and just spray painting it all black. Don't you think that would have looked really nice? But I didn't. I left it in the store. This is a kitschy section. Really didn't find anything here, so we're going to keep looking. As you can see, I did pick up those dishes. Of course, I couldn't leave them in the store. So I'm going to stop talking and just take you... Oh, before I do, I really liked this lamp. I could see that in again, if you were doing a jungle theme, that would have been perfect with the amber shade and the wood base. So pretty. But now I'm going to stop talking and I'll let you watch the video and then we'll come back and I'll show you what I picked up. Alright guys, so here is everything we picked up while we were out thrifting. This really, pretty bowl I absolutely love. And we'll bring it over here. Don't mind my mess. I'm doing a DIY. I love the detail on this vase. Very mid-century modern to me. And we picked it up, for $3.99. I think this is a great buy. I can see it styled with some black orbs inside. Will look oh so pretty, so glam. And for $3.99, you definitely cannot go wrong. Absolutely love that I picked this up. And then over here, we got this huge crate of dishes, guys. And I love that it is gold and silver. Look at that. These came from Strawberry Street. You know, this is a brand that is sold at TJ Maxx and Home Goods. And look how much stuff we got, guys. So I paid $22.99, if you can see that. And I'm sure we have more than 20 pieces in here. So $1 a piece for this. Yes, please, and thank you. So let's get it all out and see what we have. All right, so we have 8 of these saucer plates. Very, very nice. And I am doing a voice over here because I don't know why, but for some reason my camera went into slow motion mode. And I'm sure you do not want to hear me talk in slow motion. So I'm just going to speed up this section. We did have 8 of the saucer plates. And then we had, I want to say like 23 cups. Like what? 23 cups? But anyway, we'll take them. And I think we have 8 of these cups as well. So that's 1, 2. We can certainly create a really nice tablescape with these saucers and plates, or with these saucers and cups. So many of them, and I just love the aesthetic. Very modern, so glam and elegant. So here is the bowl styled on my console table in my entryway. I absolutely love how it looks. All I need to do now is to get some black orbs to go in here, and this will look so nice. It is so glam and elegant. Absolutely love it. Look at that. Oh my gosh, so pretty. You guys have enjoyed today's thrift with me. As you can see, sometimes there's not a lot of stuff at the Goodwill, but sometimes you can look up on some really nice pieces, like this really pretty crystal bowl that we found, those the china that we found, or I don't know if you call it with china, just the porcelain dinnerware that we found for $23, and we got like 29 pieces, I think it was. So less than $1 for each one, and it's something that you would normally see at your TJ Maxx or Home Goods. That is a score. So if you have enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, become a member of the iStylEmystyle family. My next video will be a clean and decorate with me here in my kitchen. We are going to be doing a tropical tablescape, little tropical something on the coffee bar. So yeah, you don't want to miss it. Make sure you hit subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.